Have you ever wondered what it takes to live a luxurious life? Well, let me tell you, luxury is a concept that glimmers with varied interpretations. For some, it's a journey adorned with diamond-studded experiences, while for others, it's a pursuit of top-tier items that make life feel a touch more lavish. However, the essence of luxury is not confined to mere opulence. It's a symphony of quality and personal fulfillment. It's about curating experiences and items that resonate with your unique taste, that make you feel like you're savoring each moment to its fullest. It's about embracing the exceptional, the exquisite, the extraordinary, and making it a part of your everyday narrative. Luxury is not about having the most, but about experiencing the best. It's not about flaunting, but about cherishing. It's not a race, but a personal journey. So are you ready to step into the world of luxury? Let's unlock the secrets together. To live a luxury life, first you need to understand what luxury means to you. This is a statement that rings true for anyone aspiring to live luxuriously. It's not just about acquiring the most expensive items or experiencing the priciest services. It's about understanding what brings you joy, satisfaction, and a sense of accomplishment. Let's break this down a bit. When you think of luxury, what comes to mind? Is it a shiny new sports car, a sprawling mansion in the hills, a lavish vacation to an exotic destination? Or is it simply having the time to enjoy a good book, a delicious meal, or a peaceful walk in nature? The idea of luxury is subjective. It varies from person to person. It's deeply personal and is often tied to our values, our desires, and our personal history. For some, luxury might be a tangible product, a designer bag, a state-of-the-art gadget, or a piece of art. For others, it's an experience, a gourmet meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant, a relaxing spa day, or a trip to a far-off locale. And yet for others, luxury could be more intangible, like time, peace, or freedom. So the first step towards living a luxury life is defining what luxury means to you. It's about personalizing luxury. It's about finding those things, experiences, and moments that make you feel good, that make your heart sing, that give you a sense of accomplishment and contentment. Don't let society dictate what luxury should be. Don't get caught up in the competition to have the most, the best, or the most expensive. Instead, focus on what truly matters to you, what brings you joy, and what makes you feel luxurious. Living a luxury life is not about impressing others. It's about impressing yourself. It's about living a life that aligns with your values, your desires, and your dreams. It's about creating a life that is uniquely yours, a life that feels luxurious to you. So, take some time to reflect, to dream, to define your own version of luxury. And remember, living a luxury life is not about the destination, it's about the journey. Remember, luxury is a personal journey, not a competition. Living a luxurious life demands smart financial planning. It's an undeniable fact that a sumptuous lifestyle requires a sturdy financial structure. Like constructing a grand mansion, you wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? The same applies to your financial life. You need a solid plan, a financial blueprint, if you will, that will guide your financial decisions and help you reach your goals. So let's talk about building that financial blueprint. First, it's essential to have a savings plan. Saving is like laying the foundation for your mansion. It provides a safety net and a pool of funds you can dip into for those unexpected expenses or opportunities. It's about preparing for the rainy days while basking in the sun. Next, we move on to investments. Think of investments as the bricks and mortar of your financial mansion. They are what will build your wealth over time. Whether it's real estate, stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, a well-diversified investment portfolio can help you generate a steady stream of income over time, allowing you to maintain and enhance your luxurious lifestyle. Speaking of income, having diverse income streams is vital. Relying on a single source of income is like building a mansion on a single pillar. It's risky and unstable. Multiple income streams, on the other hand, provide stability and increase your earning potential. These could come from a side business, rental income, dividend income, or even a part-time job. Finally, we cannot overemphasize the importance of budgeting. A budget is like a blueprint. It helps you plan your spending and ensure that your lifestyle aligns with your income. It's about knowing where your money goes and making sure it's working towards achieving your luxurious lifestyle rather than draining your resources. Remember, living a luxurious life is not about spending extravagantly, it's about spending wisely. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. It's about building a sturdy financial mansion that supports your lifestyle, not one that crumbles under the weight of financial mismanagement. After all, financial freedom is the cornerstone of a luxurious lifestyle. Investing in quality, not quantity, is a key to a luxurious life. It's a mantra that resonates in the realm of the rich and the refined. But what does it really mean? If we look at the world of material possessions, the concept is pretty straightforward. A single piece of well-crafted furniture can outlast a dozen cheaper alternatives. A pair of hand-stitched Italian leather shoes can serve you better and longer than a pile of mass-produced knockoffs. The same principle applies to everything from watches to wine, from clothes to cars. By choosing quality over quantity, we are not only investing in items that last longer, but also in ones that provide a richer, more satisfying experience. But it's not just about things, it's about experiences too. A well-planned trip to an exotic destination can provide a lifetime of memories, more rewarding than a flurry of forgettable weekend getaways. Learning a new skill can enrich your life in ways that mere consumption never can. Savoring a fine dining experience can be more fulfilling than a series of fast food indulgences. And here's the intriguing part. Investing in quality doesn't always mean spending more, it's about spending smart. It's about understanding the value of what you're buying. It's about recognizing the true worth of your time and your experiences. It's about knowing when to splurge and when to save. It's about appreciating the craftsmanship, the history, the innovation, or the creativity that goes into a product or an experience. This shift from quantity to quality is a journey, a transformation that requires a discerning eye, a thoughtful mind, and a patient heart. It's about raising the bar of your expectations, not just from the things you buy, but also from the life you live. So remember, in the quest for a luxurious life, it's not about how much you have, but how well you have it. It's not about filling your life with things, but about filling it with experiences. It's about choosing the enduring over the ephemeral, the meaningful over the mundane, the exquisite over the excessive, quality over quantity always. Luxury isn't just about possessions, it's also about maintaining a balanced lifestyle. The pinnacle of luxury is not merely in the refinement of our tastes, but in the harmony of our daily habits. To truly live a luxurious life, one must not overlook the importance of health and wellness. After all, what good are the finest of things if we are not in the best of health to enjoy them? Let's start with nutrition, the very fuel of our existence. A luxurious lifestyle affords us the opportunity to enjoy high-quality, nutritious foods. Fresh organic produce, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates not only tantalize our taste buds but also nourish our bodies, keeping us energized and healthy. They are the building blocks of a lifestyle that exudes luxury, not just in its appearance but also in its essence. Moving on to physical fitness, it's not about pushing ourselves to the limits, but rather about maintaining consistent, balanced routines. Regular exercise keeps our bodies agile and our minds sharp. It's about the strength to sail on a yacht, the stamina to explore a new city on foot, or the flexibility to dance at a gala. Exercise is not a chore in a luxurious lifestyle, but a celebration of our body's capabilities. And then there's mental health. In a world that's always busy, the ability to find tranquility within ourselves is a luxury few can afford. It's about taking a moment to breathe, to meditate, to reflect on our thoughts and emotions. It's about maintaining a positive outlook, fostering resilience, and cultivating inner peace. After all, the most beautiful luxury item we can own is a calm and content mind. So let's redefine luxury. It's not just about the material possessions we acquire, but also about the quality of life we lead. It's about a balance of health and happiness, of indulgence and wellness, of the mind and the body. In conclusion, luxury is not about the price tags, but the value we derive from our life. It's not just about having, but about being. And in that sense, a healthy, balanced life is the ultimate luxury. A luxury lifestyle starts with a luxurious mindset. Indeed, the outer manifestations of luxury, the tangible tokens of opulence, are but reflections of an inner state of abundance. To truly cultivate a luxurious lifestyle, it is essential that we first foster a luxurious mindset. What does this mean? A luxurious mindset is not about ostentation or extravagance. It is about appreciating the richness of life in all its dimensions. It is about cultivating an attitude of abundance, a belief in the limitless potential of your own life. To cultivate a luxurious mindset, we must first understand the power of our thoughts. Our thoughts shape our reality. They create the world we inhabit. If we dwell on scarcity, on lack, on what we do not have, we are likely to experience those very conditions. However, if we focus on abundance, on the many blessings we do have, we attract more of the same. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate a luxurious mindset. When we take the time to appreciate what we have, we shift our focus from lack to abundance. We remind ourselves of the richness of our lives. We open ourselves to receiving more of the same. Another important aspect of a luxurious mindset is focusing on our achievements, not our shortcomings. It is easy to get caught up in what we have not yet accomplished, in the goals we have not yet reached. But by focusing on our achievements, we celebrate our progress. We remind ourselves of our capabilities. We foster a sense of self-worth, which is a crucial aspect of a luxurious mindset. Remember, a luxurious mindset is not about material possessions. It is about an inner state of abundance, a belief in the richness of life. It is about appreciating what we have, celebrating our achievements, and cultivating an attitude of gratitude. So let's challenge ourselves to cultivate this mindset. Let's embrace the richness of life, celebrate our achievements, and practice gratitude every day. For as we have seen, a luxurious mindset leads to a luxurious life. Living a luxurious life is within your reach, a statement so profound and yet so achievable. As we draw this exploratory journey to a close, let's take a moment to revisit the key insights we've uncovered together. Luxury, as we've learned, is a deeply personal concept, as unique and individual as each one of us. It's not merely about the glitz and glam, the high-end brands, or the lavish vacations. No, it's about experiencing the finest quality of life that you envision for yourself. It's about creating a world where you can savor the exquisite, relish the extraordinary, and yet remain grounded. Smart financial planning is the cornerstone of this luxurious life. It's about making informed decisions, being proactive, and setting clear financial goals. It's about understanding that money, while not the be-all and end-all of luxury, is a significant enabler. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of opportunities, a world where you can afford the best without compromising your financial security. Investing in quality is another crucial aspect of living luxuriously. It's about prioritizing the longevity and value of the things you possess over the fleeting appeal of the cheap and the average. It's about appreciating the artistry, the craftsmanship, and the time that goes into creating something truly remarkable. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle is the thread that weaves all these elements together. It's about finding harmony between your professional and personal life, your physical health and mental well-being, your ambition and your peace of mind. It's about understanding that luxury is not just about having the best of everything, but making the best of everything you have. And lastly, cultivating a luxurious mindset. It's about seeing the beauty in every moment, appreciating the simple joys of life, and constantly striving for growth and self-improvement. It's about embracing positivity, fostering gratitude, and radiating class, not just in what you have, but in who you are. Remember, luxury isn't a destination, it's a way of life, so start living your luxurious life today.